Good morning children, welcome back to social class. We already in which lesson? Block 17, Earth and its neighbors, right? So today before going to start our lesson, let me ask you one riddle. You have to answer for that riddle. What is a round but not always a round? Many have walked over me but no one can live on me. Can you guess who am I? What is a round but not always a round? Many have walked over on me but no one can live on me. Can you guess who am I? Yes. Answer is the moon. Today our lesson is about the moon. So let's talk about the moon. Okay children. So when we can see the moon in the nights, how it will appear to us? In a round shape and in a silver color and white color. But can we see all the time the moon in round shape? No, sometimes it will be in a different shape and sometimes we can't see the moon at night also. So what is the moon exactly? Can anyone tell? Yes, moon is a natural satellite of the earth and it is a planet. Okay, then it will always rotate around the earth on its orbit. What is an orbit? Orbit is a natural path of every planet. Okay, so the moon is a natural satellite of the earth and it will always rotate on the around the earth. So if the moon is always rotating around the earth, then why we can't see in the day? Because the sun won't allow, because of that light won't allow us to see the moon in the daytime, because the moon doesn't have its own light. That's why only we can see the moon in the night, because there won't be sun in the night. Then only we can see the moon in the night. How it will appear to us? Can we watch the moon directly? Of course, everyone can watch the moon directly, because there is no harsh rays of the moon. Why? Because the sun doesn't have its own light. It will take the light from the sun. What is the difference between sun and moon? Can we see the sun directly? No, because sun is what? Sun is a huge gas ball. It will always burn because of what are the gases in the sun we already discussed about? It is a hydrogen and helium. These both will make the sun burn. That's why we can't see the sun directly. But the moon is not having any gases on it. Okay, but what it has? Yes, of course it has water on it. But can we live on the moon? No. Of course we have a water on the moon, but we can't live on the moon. What is the essential thing that we need to live? Water? Or we have any other thing more than water important? Yes, oxygen. Because the moon doesn't have oxygen on it. So to live, what we need is most oxygen, right? But on the moon we don't have oxygen. That's why even though we have a water, but there is no oxygen, that's why we can't live on the moon. Okay, so children, today let's see some more facts about the moon. What is a moon? What I told about the moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the earth, right? So how much distance it is exactly located from the earth? It has 384,400 kilometer distance from the earth. And is it possible to look every time in a round shape the moon? It appears every time. Whenever we see the moon, it will look always round. No, sometimes we can't see the moon in the nights also. Sometimes the moon won't be there. And whenever we see, sometimes we can see the moon in a different shapes. Right? Sometimes only it will appears like a big moon, and sometimes it will be like a crescent banana, or sometimes it will be like a thin line like U shape or half moon life it will be. That means what we can understand by seeing that moon have many shades, right? And what is the color of the moon? Many of says it's a silver color and some of they will say it is in white color. And what is a moon? Moon is a natural satellite. And what is the temperature that we have on the moon? It is 120 degrees Celsius maximum. It is 120 degrees Celsius maximum comparing to the sun, right? How much temperature we have on the sun? 5,500 degrees Celsius temperature we have on the sun. Comparing to the sun, the moon always looks cool and pleasant. That's why we are able to see the moon in the nights but not in the days, right? Why we can't say if the moon is present or the moon is always rotates around the earth, why we can't see in the day? Because the moon doesn't have its own light. It takes the light from the earth. it takes the light from the sun. That's why we are not able to see the moon in the day. The sunlight won't allow us to see the directly to the sky. That's why we are not able to see the moon in the day. In the night there won't be sun and we can clearly visible the sky. That's why we can see the moon in the nights. Do moon have its own light? No. From how it will get the light then? It takes the light from the sun. That's why the moon is visible, right? When we can see the moon? In the night only, right children? Okay, in the previous class we have discussed about the sun and today we have learned some facts about the moon. Can anyone tell what are the difference between the sun and moon? Yes? So, sun is a star and it's a huge ball of gases, and we have hydrogen and helium in it, and we have a 5500 degrees Celsius temperature on it, and we can't reach the sun and we can't directly see the sun, right? And what about the moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the earth and it always rotates around the earth, right? And we can see the moon directly. But does the moon have its own light? No. The sun has its own light, but the moon doesn't have its own light. It takes the light from the sun. Right, Nana? So how it will appear? It will appear like in a silver color or white color, and it will be always in round shape? No, it has a lot of different shapes. But what about the sun? Yes, the sun is always in a round shape, right? So, comparing to the temperature, which one is having a low temperature? Obviously moon. So, can anyone walk on the moon? At least some people will try to reach the moon. What I said, they will burn into ashes. But so many people have walked on the moon. And we also, right now some countries are trying to make an arrangements to live on the earth also, right? Let's see what the progress will be in the future, okay? So what are the more differences? That many people have already stepped on the moon, but we can't reach the sun. When you see in the sky, we always look moon will be presentable, and we think that comparing to the sun, why we can see the moon very clearly means the moon is very near to the earth when we compare to the sun. Sun is very far away, but comparing to the size, sun is bigger than the moon. Okay, but we can see the moon very clearly because it is very near to the earth comparing to the sun. Right, Nana? So these are the differences between the sun and moon. Okay, what are the differences? Sun is a star and moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Sun has its own light and moon doesn't have its own light. It takes the light of the sun, and the sun has only one shape and it is a huge ball of gases, and the moon doesn't have one shape. It always changes its shapes, and sometimes we can't even see the moon in the sky. And how it looks? It looks presentable like silver or a white color. So, and we can't reach the sun, but many of the people have walked on the moon. These are the main differences between the sun and moon. Okay? Okay. Up to now, I have said that moon has a different shapes. The moon doesn't always look like a round shape. Sometimes we can't even see the moon in the sky. Up to now I said. Let's see what are the different shapes of the moon. Okay. So what I said about the moon, that moon is a natural satellite of the planet Earth. It always revolves around the Earth. So what is this, children? This is an Earth. So this is a moon. These are the different shapes of the moon. So what I said about the moon doesn't have its own light. It takes the rays of the sun. That's why it will always shine like a silver color. It always shine in a silver color, and it will appear in the night times like a round shape in the sky. Sometimes sometimes you will see in the banana shape. Let's discuss about the shapes of the moon. So first we will start from the new moon. New moon means nothing but we can't see the moon in the sky. In Telugu we call it as Amavasya. So here you have to understand two words, that is waning and waxing. Waxing means slowly increasing. Waning means slowly decreasing. What is the meaning of waxing? Waxing means slowly increasing and waning means slowly decreasing. So what is a new moon? New moon means there won't be no moon in the sky. And what is another important shape of the moon is full moon. Full moon means we can see the full round Paurnami, and new moon is called as a Amavasya. So what is the difference between new moon to full moon? How many days it will take to change the position from new moon to full moon? It is approximately 14.5 or 15 days. Okay, 14.5 days or 15 days from the new moon to full moon. Now discuss about the shapes about the moon, how it will changes. For example, if you observe right now, the moon is this is the sun, children. The sun, the moon and the earth exactly on right now on one straight line. That means here, for example, if you are here right now on the earth, we are facing the moon, right? For example, if I am standing here and I am exactly opposite of the moon, here the sun. So now the moon is receiving the sun rays. What exactly is going on? The moon is receiving the sun rays, but which part is receiving? The front part or the back part? Yes, the back part of the moon is receiving the sun rays, but not the front part of the moon. But what I am looking at, the front part of the moon. Are you able to understand? Here the sun rays are receiving the back part of the moon, but not the front part of the moon. But I am seeing at the front part of the moon. Always the moon illuminated by the sun rays. That means the moon always brighten up because of the sun rays. So here, which part is taking the sun rays? Back part or front part? Back part. But I am looking at the front part. So this part is visible to me? No. Even though the moon is there, but that sun rays is not illuminating by the first part of the moon. That's why I am not able to see the moon. That's why we call it as a new moon. That's why we can't see the moon in the night. What we call it as a new moon. After that, here I wrote waxing crescent moon. What is this shape? Next position is what? Waxing crescent moon. Crescent moon is nothing but a slanting sleeping position of the moon. This part is highlighted. Why this part only we can see in the sky means after from new moon to the moon will change its position to waxing crescent. That means slowly it will starting appears to look into the slowly it will appears in the sky. We can visible the sea because now what I said in the earlier, these three are on the straight line, but if you observe now it is not on the straight line. Slightly has changed the position. So the sun rays will highlight the little bit part of the moon. So this much part is highlighted by the sun rays. That's why the people are able to see this much part of the moon from the earth. What is this called? Waxing crescent moon. After that, again the moon will change its position. After that, what we call this one? First quarter moon. What it is called as first quarter moon. So here if you see means, after that also the sun rays is highlighting the first quarter of the moon. So this much part also we can see from the earth because along with the moon the earth also revolved, right? So that means this part of when this part is illuminated or highlighted by the sun rays along with the moon, we also move. So this part also visible by the people who lives on the earth. After that we have which part? More than the quarter part. More than the quarter part, we call it as a waxing gibbous. What I said about waxing means slowly increasing, right? So this part is now it has moving above the horizon. It is not on the straight line, right? So it is more than the quarter and more part of the moon is highlighted right now because by the sun rays. Now it is taking more sun rays directly. Here what I said, this part is a back part, but now if you observe, the front part is receiving the sun rays. Understood, children? Now the front part is receiving the sun rays. So this much part of the moon is visible. After that, moon. That's why we are able to see the front part of the sun. So we can see the full moon in the sky. That is called as a full moon. Here what I said, the moon, half of the moon is not visible because the back part is receiving the sun rays from the back part of the moon is receiving the sun rays. But here the sun rays is directly receiving the moon is receiving the direct sun rays. So this part is visible. So how many days it will be from new moon to full moon? It will be 14.5 days or 15 days. After finishing of full moon, again it will be waxing moon. What it is? Again it will be waning moon. Waning means what I said, decreasing of the moon shapes. So after that again the shapes will be repeated. That means first what we have here, waxing crescent moon. So here we said waning moon. That means again we are able to see this part. Okay, and after that we have quarter part, and after that here what we have, that waxing crescent, but here we call it as a waning crescent. The positions is same, but here to here, from no moon to here we have a full moon. From full moon to the positions will be repeated. From full moon to here up to new moon, again the positions will be reversed. Got it, children? So this is how the moon has different shapes. That's why we are able to see different shapes of moon, because always the moon is illuminated by the sun rays. Which part of the moon receives the sun rays, that part of the moon only visible to the people. That's why we see different shape of the moon. Understood, children? Which part is illuminated, that means which part receives the sun rays on the moon, that part is only visible, that part only able to see, that only we will see. That is the reason we will see different shapes of the moon. So total this process will take to complete approximately 29.5 days or 30 days. To complete one full circle of these moon shapes will take 30 days. These are the different types of shapes of the moon. I hope you all understood the lesson. Everyone please open your volume. Okay children, now please everyone open your volume. S3, the moon. Draw a moon in the box below with 5 words to describe the moon. You have to describe the moon and write 5 words. Okay, and next write the difference between the sun and the moon in the table below. You know the differences between the sun and moon, right? Now, why do we have different shapes of the moon from the earth? Yes, right now only I have explained why do we see different shapes of the moon from the earth. I also told what is the reason, right? So just give your answers and send through WhatsApp. Okay, I hope everyone understood the lesson. Thank you.